Yo, what's up guys? Just bought myself another Glock today. I've already opened this here and played with it and fondled it and whatnot, but I'm just gonna do a little unboxing here so you can see what comes with a G43. You all know this is what the Glock box looks like. Comes with the firearm, right? One magazine with the extended base plate, and one magazine that's got the flush fitting base plate. So this is the flush fitter, and this is on the extended base plate. This is the one I like, obviously, because you can get your pinky on that bad boy. Already clear. Check prior to starting. So what also comes in the box? Cleaner here, a little loader here that helps you load the magazines, right? I don't use it. A little lock. I also don't use this. Anyways, back to the handgun. I'm gonna put this down here. So this is a Glock 43. It is a 6+1 single stack 9mm. I really dig it a lot. I think it's small, comfortable, compact. I do not mind Glock sights out of the box. We'll do a little trigger pull here. All right, here we go. Clear. Okay. Reset. Right there. If you're used to Glock triggers, you're fine. I like them. Yeah, let's compare it to my Glock 45, which is a 19 slide on a 17 frame, right? So this is my Gen 5 Glock 45 clear. So here we go, I'll hold it up, hold these boys together. So G43 looks to be about an inch shorter than the 19 slide, and the grip also, even with the extended magazine base plate there, at most here it's probably about an inch shorter, and then at the top here, what's that? You say half an inch shorter. Width on the width here, this is what we're looking at. Not bad. I would say the G43 is definitely noticeably slimmer. Obviously, both are 9mm. This one's just a double stack. One thing I really like about the Gen 5 is that the edges here on the slide are like knurled here, as you can see, if that's the correct term. And then on the 43, they're more blocky. As you see here, there's more like it's not as knurled as the 45 is. Yep, disassembly is the same as all other Glocks. You safety check it, point the weapon in a safe direction, pull the trigger. Cool. Pull the slide back a touch, hold on the two little thingies there on the side on the frame. Slide comes off like so. Recoil spring, barrel will come out, and there you go. Reassembly is the same, but in reverse. Functions check. Reset. Cool. I literally just got the gun today. Haven't had the chance to shoot it yet. I'm real excited too. I cannot wait. Really big fan of Glocks, honestly. They're a proven, reliable company, and so on and so forth. This is all information that you are already aware of, obviously, I'm sure. This is gonna be my concealed carry handgun here. I'm not gonna carry the full size because I don't think I need the extra rounds, honestly. This one obviously is easier to conceal. And if you just carry a couple magazines, your 6+1, you should probably be fine, right? Fingers crossed. All right, guys, I honestly haven't got anything else for you. I just wanted to make this little video because I wanted to. No other reason. I wanted to make it, so I did. Cool gun. I'm excited to have purchased it. Peace out, guys.